Interesting facts about Santorini, Greece. Volcano. Santorini is a stunning Greek island formed from a volcanic caldera. The crescent-shaped island is a result of a massive volcanic eruption around 3,600 years ago. Nea Kamenni, the central island within Santorini's caldera, is an active volcano. Visitors can take boat tours to explore the volcanic crater and experience the island's geological wonders. Many names of Santorini. The name Santorini has a rich history and is connected to both ancient and more recent periods. The name is associated with the island's complex geological and historical background. 1. Ancient Thera. In ancient times, it was known as Thera. This name dates back to the island's settlement by the Dorians in the 9th century BCE. The Dorians named the island after their leader, Theras, who was a descendant of the mythical ruler of Sparta. 2. Byzantine period. During the Byzantine era, the island was referred to as Kalis, meaning the most beautiful one in Greek. This name highlighted the island's natural beauty and charm. 3. Venetian influence. In the Middle Ages, during the period of Venetian rule, the island came to be known as Santorini. The name is believed to be a corruption of the words Santa Irene, named after the Christian church of Saint Irene. Over time, this evolved into the modern name Santorini. 4. Modern usage. Today, Santorini is the internationally recognized name for the island. It has become synonymous with the picturesque landscapes, iconic whitewashed buildings, and vibrant culture that attract visitors from around the world. Many exquisite beaches. People don't usually expect this. Being a volcanic island, Santorini doesn't have the long stretches of golden sand that you'll find on its cousin Mykonos. But the beaches it does have are a rare beauty. From the famous Red Beach and its richly colored cliff faces or the quaint port side of Amoudi, you will have an experience like no other. Santorini is famous for its whitewashed buildings. The buildings of the Cyclades and Santorini have become instantly recognizable as Greek. Do you ever ask yourself why the houses are white? Well, this architectural style not only reflects the island's charm, but also helps regulate temperatures in the scorching sun. White paint absorbs less heat than dark colors, making the very hot Greek summers more bearable, pre-air conditioning days. Wine from volcanic soil. This is ideal for vineyards, producing unique and flavorful wines. The Asurtico grape, grown on the island, thrives in this environment. They even have a wine museum you can visit. It's family-operated, and they will take you through the winemaking process. Thera's cliffside village. The village of Oia in Santorini is perched on the cliffs and is famous for its stunning views. The architecture, sunsets, and romantic ambience make it a sought-after destination. Would you like to go on a vacation to Santorini? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.